my first time. Neither one of us are really mechanics. I think I just turned the bike on. I just turned the bike on. It ain't always easy, but hopefully it's going to be worth it. Alright guys, today's video we are going to be doing some modifications to my 2020 Indian Challenger, and I'm super excited. With me, I've got my homeboy, Matt.
What's up?
Alright, here we go. So what we've got now, we've got the Torch Industry bars on here. These are mini apes by Torch, and I absolutely love them. They are really cool bars. One thing I love about them is how sleek they are. They got a beautiful sharp corner on the end. I think they really just fit the bike and make the bike look even more aggressive than it already is. So a lot of you have asked me, why did I ride my Road Glide to Mexico instead of my Indian? Because I have praised how comfortable the Indian is. And I'm gonna tell you it's because I've become a huge fan of the T-bars. Listen, if you guys didn't see our Mexico trip, go check it out now. We rode all across Mexico like 9 days, made like 8 videos, showed you everything, gave you tips on what to do in Mexico. Click this link right here if you wanna go check it out. But I rode the Road Glide, the Harley Davidson, mainly because I really like the seating position and I really like the posture of the bars. And they just came out with some new bars for the Indian Challenger. A company named Barnstorm Motorcycles makes it. It does a screen relocation, it does a gauge relocation, puts in T-risers and the bars. I'm super excited to check out this product. So today, me and Matt, we're gonna put it in the bike. The worst case scenario is you break it. Thanks for the knife, Speedy. Where'd you go? So I spend about 2 weeks a month on the road, but one of the things I love about being home is I'm always surrounded by good people. Got a house full of veterans.
What's happening?
How you doing?
My name's Tim. Proudly served in the Marine Corps from 2002 to 2008. Aircraft firefighter. Know Adam through my good friend Doc over here.
Y'all know Doc. He has been in lots of my videos with me across Mexico recently. We did, what else did we do together?
The tat. Oh my God.
We've given some Harley Davidsons away.
Kickstands Up.
Kickstands Up series. A lot of videos out there with my boy Doc.
Yeah. What's happening? I am now in Oklahoma, kicking it with Adam once again, with my buddy Joel and Tim. Hello.
I'm Joel. How you doing?
Got my homie Matt.
What's up?
Also a veteran. And who's over here? What's up, Chuck?
Check you.
Doing good.
So we really have no idea at all what we're doing. It's my first time diving into the Indian fairing. It's also Matt's first time digging into the Indian fairing. And neither one of us are really mechanics. We both just kind of get things done once in a while when we need to. Matt maybe a little bit more than me, but we've watched all of 20 minutes of this video, Matt.
I watched 38 and I'm lost.
So we're 38 minutes into a 2-hour video that will teach you how to do this. And that's how we're learning how to build my brand new motorcycle. Really not nerving at all. If it breaks, it breaks. So it's really just hanging out in my garage here with a bunch of buddies. We're reminiscing about some old stories. Doc was just telling one about a lady who made us an apricot pie.
Long story short, we decided that we're gonna spend a night at Cedar Creek, California during a tat. One of the neighbors decided that she was gonna bake apricot pie and shared it with everybody in it. And man, talk about the people that you meet around your rides, you know? You can always plan to have the perfect plan, but once you ride, you just gotta ride and not have a time frame.
So we're just gonna try to get this off. This is gonna start to take the GPS off, which is gonna mount it up. So what Doc was trying to say is just, you know, one of my biggest pet peeves or one of my biggest things about riding when I'm traveling the country is, you know, you can't over plan. You know, we might know we're headed south, we might know we're headed towards Los Angeles, but it may take us 1 day or it may take us 9 days. It just depends on what we run into. And leaving your trips open to run into those moments and take advantage of them, like little old ladies in, where was it? Cedar Creek?
Cedar Creek.
And apricot pies. That's what road tripping's about to me. Yeah, I don't like prying on this little electronic stuff. This stuff's so fragile. I think I just turned the bike on. I just turned the bike on. It ain't always easy, but hopefully it's going to be worth it. See, now that, I have to say, is pretty slick. Good job, Indians. That is beautifully machined. Sexy parts is what that is. We hear nightmares about people streeting bars all the time. Isn't gonna be one of them right now, though, because I'm already through. Welcome to day 2. I'm just getting the controls on, and we got them all wired up. We got them put on. Matt now is looking at how to reinstall this dash, and this entire screen has to go from where it was up here. It needs to go up even higher, and then the gauges need to come from where they were in the dash and come out down here where I can see them below the handlebar. I think we're on the put it back together phase. Matt, you think we're gonna get it?
Yeah, I mean, judging from this this video of the guy that's doing it, we're like 3/4 of the way through.
I like that. The worst part of any project is wiring, so I had to bring in the big guns to help. These wires are too small for my crimpers. All right, we got these all soldered together. This is the extension so that we can relocate our gauges so they're not hidden behind these T-bars. Cannot forget my Zero 3D mount because this baby is a lifesaver. Never have to hook up cords to my phone. It just charges right through the back of my phone. And I love it. It is an exciting moment. We've got the dash put together. It took a little work, it took a little finagling, me and a few of my buddies, but now is the moment of truth. Will it actually start and work? So we're gonna hit this button first. Oh, we got power. And now will it start? Yeah, baby. Throttle works. Got my tab performance exhaust. Oh yeah. Looking good. actually works. Who would have known? I'm pretty impressed with the video. He's got a video on YouTube on how to put this together. If you buy this kit, it can save you a ton of money, and I think it's totally doable. I think with a little patience, just about anybody could install this kit and do this conversion. So it actually saves you a little money from a normal set of bars, you know, where you have to have somebody put them in. I think with this instruction video, it's pretty doable. And man, does it look sexy. Thank you, Barnstorm, for all of us Indian lovers out there. And man, this kit, look at it. Tell me it doesn't look great. You want to see what it looks like with me on it? Here we go. See, now that is a good posture for me. It straightens up my lower back, keeps my arms up and square, and I just love the way the T-bars handle. This is awesome. I even like the real clean look it has under here now. It's got these polished fork tubes and everything. It just looks good, man. It looks really good, and the posture is great too. I can't wait to take my first road trip on it. Gonna leave you all with a little montage of the Barnstorm T-bar kit.